Okay, so what I've done is I made a copy of the initial photos verification tracking sheet that I just made. And I'm going to convert it into the purchase photos because it will speak quickly this way, but I can show you what I did. So once you have the add-on installed, you can go to Report Builder and then Customize Report. And this will be for any report you want to pull out of Salt 360. So customize the report, you go to New Document, you go to Report Type. Report type, it's a project blog because it's where we store all the information for the items. There's two different sections. There's the criteria for the search, so it's in the folder information, and then there's what actually gets displayed. So the first one is add the criteria for the search. Specifically, we're looking for any item that has not been verified for that tab that he created over in Salt 360, which is here. So you want to look for purchase photo verified as blank is the criteria, because you want to see all the items that are currently blank so you can check them off. So from here we're going to go to custom fields, and that's one of the custom ones that we created. And we're going to look for that purchase photo verification selection. So purchase verified, and then right now we want to see all of them that are empty. So accept, and then this will remove any from the report that we actually look at because we don't have anything. So really that's the only criteria that we need, because we kind of want to look at all of the items that are there and not be able to see them. So for this, it's kind of a simple pull from Salt 360. These two here are the what's actually going to be displayed. So your title of your product ID, your link, and the photo count that you requested. So standard fields, each one of these is in every single Salt 360 page by default. So title is the first one. The title includes the 6-bit number, so I didn't feel the need to add a separate column for that because it is for redundant information. The next are all custom fields that we've created for this. So we're looking at custom fields. That's product ID. You wanted to see on the report. That one. And instead of initial photos and initial photo count, we're going to do purchase photos and purchase photo count. So those two right there. Except we don't need to see the unique ID that Salt 360 shows and produces every time you create one. So we'll turn that off. And we're not going to show the category types we need because we're looking at all the items that are available right now. And run report. And now instead of initial photos, these are the ones that are the purchase photos. Just like that. You can also leave this as a manual refresh to manually refresh it, the report again after you've gone into Salt 360 and actually verified and change the selection. You just go back up to the add-ons and you can go to run report, or if you want one to have a specific auto run, you can set that up here in the settings. You can also preserve custom columns that will stay with the report, that won't go back into Salt 360, but it will stay on this report page. And that's it. If you have any questions, let me know.